So calculate the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. Okay, now a pentagon has got 5 sides. Now they did not tell you that's a regular pentagon, which is why they are asking you for the sum of the interior angles. And sum of the interior angles is given by n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Since there are 5 sides and n is the number of sides, you perform substitution. 5 minus 2 times 180, which is equals to, work within the brackets, 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. 3 times 180, press your calculator, is equals to 540 degrees. Alright, so this is a very simple question. Okay, now number 2, calculate the size of each interior angle in a regular 20-sided polygon. Now this time round they tell you that it's regular. Okay, so what do? You take n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Alright, okay, this is the formula for finding the size of each interior angle. Okay, where n is the number of sides. Okay, there are 20 sides, so 20 minus 2 multiplied by 180 over 20, you will get 18 times 180 over 20. Okay, 18 multiplied by 180 divided by 20 will give you 162 degrees. Therefore, the size of each interior angle, okay, for each of a regular 20-sided polygon is 162 degrees.